Okay, good. So I become an unboxer now. I get this. Yeah. Wood chipper shredder. Yeah. You see, say F cut makes your garden a beautiful landscape. So I about to unbox this shredder. I've been waiting on this. I've been so excited for this shredder. Yeah, yo, this shredder gonna get work, you know. I gonna put this shredder to work, you know. Okay, good. Wait, watch out. Watch out. I've got, yeah. So yeah, the only thing before I start, I'll say my box come damaged. See how badly damaged the box is. So this side good, this side damaged too. Backside good. But yeah, that the only thing. But yeah, let me get this thing. Boss open. Okay, I open the box. I start taking out parts. Got this with a bunch of screws and bits and nuts. Got the the hopper, engine, wheels. Yeah, man, let's get this show on the road. Okay, so the first step said I have to connect the support, support to the body. Now I had to go get my tool set. I needed a 10, so a 10 millimeter. Now I tried with a ratchet. However, the space I could not get the ratchet to turn, so I had to use a spanner instead. So yeah, I wish they had a little more space so I could have used a ratchet instead of having to use a spanner. I don't have those automatic spanners, you know. But yeah, assembly. Uh-huh. She ready. She assemble. Everything good. She looking good. Yeah, man. Now, just to bring her up in the garden, get her running. Yeah. Get some gas, get some oil, fill her up, and get her running. Okay, good. First crank is mine. Uh-huh. Watch out.
Okay.
Turn
Are you
on.
on the brand new machine?
Everything on.
Okay.
Show it on. It's so good. Hmm.
Got compression, eh?
Want it, boy? She want it. Watch out. Watch out.
One hard one.
She gonna give it now. Watch out.
Which to run? Right at your hand then. Wait. David. Remember everything she getting now.
That is it.
Kidding.
That is it. Yeah. Ah. Now I got my mulch. Yeah, man, I've got you walking. Yeah, man, this shredder is not playing. Watch out. Watch out. Looks so pretty. Yeah. She's walking. F cut, okay.